So you want to get bigger arms, huh? I got 3 fitness gear that you must have in order for you to get bigger arms. Hi, my name is Mark Sterling and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now, the 3 things that you're gonna need to get bigger arms is a standard curl bar, arm blaster, and there's one thing inside this box that you need. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you in the video in a minute. Now, all of these, I'm gonna have that in a link in the description below, so you could go check them out if you want on your own time. Now, the first thing that you're gonna need is your standard curl bar. You have to get one of these right here. I'm saying it's very good to have your own curl bar instead of going to the gym. If you stay at home, if you have like a small gym at home, you have your own curl bar. So get a standard curl bar. So you're gonna need one of these right here. So now let me show you how this arm blaster works. If you guys haven't got one of these yet or don't know what it is, I'm gonna show you real quick. It goes on. You adjust the strap. Make sure it's like nice and adjusted to your level. You put it around your neck like so. Make sure it's nice and even. See? Your arm rests on the arm blaster like this, so it's not going to go all the way back. You know, you're going to have a way for you to curl the bar. So what you do is you grab your bar like so. Let me turn to the side so you can see it, and then you curl. Yeah. Let me move the table out of the way so you can see. Okay, so this is it from the side. And there you have it. So that's how it's done. You're gonna always have tension on your arm because your arm is not going backwards like this. It's always forward and there's always tension on your arm. And then you curl. And that's how it's done. Pretty simple. Now the last thing I want to show you is these fit grips right here. Let me show you. I got these on Amazon for about I got these on Amazon for about 17 bucks on Amazon. And these are them right here. They are called fit grips. Yeah, so these are called fit grips. So what these do is like, let's say you know your bar is not too comfortable. You use these, slide onto your bars like so. And what these help you when you're doing curls. It feels so much comfortable like by doing curls just by having these on. Let me demonstrate for you real quick. See? They got nice grip to it. And what you do is you just do your normal curls. Just like that. You know, you have a nice grip to it. Let me show you from the side. You know, from the front again. Now, when it comes to using the fit grips, you get 2 advantages. One, they're very comfortable on your hands when you're doing your repetition. 2, you get 1 to 2 to 3 extra repetition as you're doing your curl with these right here. So let me demonstrate for you. So as you can see, as I'm lifting it, the curl bar, you see, it's very comfortable. I could open my hands, close it. You know, I have no pressure on my hands. You know, by curling it. Now I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna take off these fit grips to show you. So without the fit grips, if I lift it, see, I got pressure on my hands, so it's not that comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I can't really, you see what I'm saying? But with the fit grips, it makes it a whole lot more easier. See? A whole lot more easier. So as you're doing your exercise, one thing I've noticed that with these, because they're so comfortable, you could easily push out maybe an extra 1, 2 to 3 reps with these right here. So that's a benefit. That's a two benefit right there. They're comfortable, and you can push out an extra 2 to 3 reps with these right here also. So that's a good thing. Now, let me set this down real quick. So this is the whole setup. You have your arm blaster, you got your curl bar, and your fit grip. So these three combination, I'm saying, should help you a lot if you want to get bigger arms. That's what I use, and whenever like I go on Amazon, if I see something that I like, then I'm gonna do like a YouTube video on it and let you guys know. Since you guys want to get bigger arms, this is what I use. So this is what I use for when I want to get bigger arms. One more thing I want to show you. It's also good for your triceps. So this is what I use for my triceps. I just take them off. These can easily fit. Put them on here like that. They fit easily. And you slide them on just like that. Just grab these. Do it from the side so you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just bend down so you can see it. I'm just working my triceps just like that. And I'm doing from the side. So these fit grips, they're good for like any standard bar you could use these for. So these are good. What I recommend though, like if you're gonna get these, I recommend you get like at least 2 sets, 2 to 3 sets. That way you can have one for your tricep bar, one for your curl bar, or one for your what do you call it? Your bench press. One for your bench press. One for like if you're gonna do back exercise, you could use that for that. These are here are very good. So make sure if you're gonna get like one set, get like maybe 2 or 3 because they come in very handy. One thing I forgot to mention was the price. Let me give you the price real quick. Got my list right here. The arm blaster is $25.99. You can get that on Amazon. The fit grips, these right here, are $17.95. I'm put it in the description below. And the curl bar is $39.95. I'm gonna put it in the description below, so you can get all these for a good price on Amazon. Yeah. All these exercise equipment are not really necessary. This is just my recommendation if you want to get bigger arms. Let's say the curl bar, you probably go to the gym. You probably have a gym membership. You could go to the gym and do your curls there. You probably don't need the fit grips, but I highly recommend that you get the arm blaster. If you want to get bigger arms, I highly recommend you get the arm blaster. That's a must to have in your exercise equipment. Thanks for watching my video, and in the future I'll be doing videos like this. So if you like my channel, because this is a brand new YouTube channel that I'm launching, if you like my channel and you like the stuff that I'm doing, please like and subscribe for my video. I'm going to be doing a whole lot more videos like this in the future. And yeah, so like I said, you don't have to get the curl bar. You don't have to get the fit grips. but I highly recommend you get your arm blasted if you want to get bigger arms. Thank you, and I'll see you next time in my YouTube video.